yet he tells you that he's marginalized. So it has developed in Igbo what you may define as the victim mentality. And you ask yourself, the person who is in Canada, for instance, or in the US, doing well, maybe sending monies at home, maybe as the breadwinner, diaspora remittances and all that. But this person, the last time you checked, I won't be anything this significant he has done for his immediate community, probably. But somebody somewhere has just sat down behind the microphone and told him that there are Fulanis behind his father's farmyard and that they are coming to destroy everything. So he should bring money. Yeah, we take go. Okay, and we see people sheepishly throwing in resources, throwing in money, not knowing that they have inadvertently been empowering the actual criminals who have been tormenting in Igbo. So, in the light of that, I am very, very, how will I put it? I am very, very clinical in defining the difference between Biafra and Igbo. I am Igbo, Abron Biafra. You get the point? Abmoni Igbo. In whole and yes, I don't know if you. As a matter of fact, if you look at my birth certificate, I went for Biafra there. Well, by virtue of my name, we in Nigeria we're three ethnic groups, three large, ethnic groups: Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. There are other sub ethnic groups too that also want, who are saying we are. I don't want to wear back, but the broader ones, where maybe other ones, when say their own derived from Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. Eto man and boni Igbo. Na su Igbo kuzori me Igbo na egosi mo na Igbo. Ano ma ko Biafra. I mean, nobody ever told me I'm Bonye Biafra. You get the point. But at the end of the day, even if I elect now to say I'm Bonye Biafra, what is the substance to it? What kind of Biafra am I going to say Nambo? Onye Biafra na puta e fumado ne ebrum nwanne. This is, I've said it, that the struggle now has turned into a self-defeating initiative. What we are doing in the Southeast is like pointing the gun to our head and threatening the world. Nobody looks at you. Everybody can see you have the nozzle in your hand, and as a matter of fact, the more you decimate yourself here, life is cyclical. And with that, there are a generation of people that will take up this space who may not even agree that Nabundibo with the way we are going. So we shouldn't continue with. For me, Biafra for me has become a deliberate ploy to self-annihilate if you don't watch it.
Self-destruct.
Yes.